I do it exceptionally well. I do it so it feels like hell.
A willow tree is strong enough to bear. Never like the oak who lives in fear of the wind. A grain of sand is all I ever wanted to be. Leave me down and let the water wash right over me, right on over me.
It doesn't get better
So
than
it
this.
feels real.
Hot food next to a beautiful pond in the woods on a beautiful Bluebird day. Nice wind. My nose is running because I put some hot sauce in here and it's got some kick. But yeah, look how beautiful this is. And Mountain House, you really did a good job with the chicken tikka masala. It's not bad at all, especially like being able to eat something like this up here. And I mean, we're talking 5 minutes to boil the water because it was windy. Maybe 5 to 7 minutes of letting it sit in the pouch, and boom, you got a nice hot meal. So pretty hard to beat, but I'm gonna wrap it up here and get ready to head off the hill because I got other stuff to go do.